Presents.
Maybe we can step back and talk about what actually is data science. For people that are listening, they might be students, for example, or just generally interested in data science. So maybe explain what is data science.
Yeah, so data science is, at the most basic level, you trying to solve a problem with advanced tools. So advanced tools are math, programming, and business logic. So you're combining all three of those disciplines to come to some answer to a solution. Usually you're dealing with quite a bit of data. So you're trying to understand trends, you're trying to build models to predict or to find similarities or to break down some of the inefficiencies or complexities of the data.
This is a SkillStruct presentation. If you like what you hear and see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.